Welcome to Accent Mastery.
Today we're going to learn how to properly pronounce the names of Japanese and Chinese characters from the Street Fighter series. We will also learn the meaning of these names and the characters used to write them. Now here's an interesting one. Now notice that the pronunciation is the N needs to be completely and fully nasalized. So you say dang, dang. Full name.
On its own, his surname is pronounced Hibiki, Hibiki. But if you want to say all together, the pitch shifts a little bit and it becomes Hibiki-dan, Hibiki-dan.
Now, dang means bullet, shot or shell. He means fire, and biki means to pull, so pulling fire. It's interesting because this character is supposedly from Hong Kong, but his name is entirely in Japanese. And hibiki is probably they're using it to mean another word in Japanese, which means echo. But it's normally written with another kanji, but pronounced sort of double meaning.
Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.